Hello friends, myself Pushpraj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Basic Science. My subject is Mathematics. I am going to present a PPT on Fourier series. Let us first know what is Fourier series. A Fourier series defined as the expansion of a function in sine and cosine series. This is the formula fx equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. The coefficients a0, a n, b n are related to periodic function fx by definite integral. This is the Dirichlet condition. First, fx is a periodic function. Second, fx has finite number of finite discontinuity. Third, fx has only finite number of extreme values, maxima and minima value in interval 0 to 2 pi. Fourier series are named as honor of Joseph Fourier. Again, this is the formula. We all know cos nx and sin nx can be written as in complex form. Sin nx is equal to 1 by 2i e to the power I nx minus e to the power minus I nx. Cos nx equal to 1 by 2 to the power I nx plus e to the power minus I nx. This is the orthogonal properties. We all know integration 0 to pi sin mx cos nx dx should be 0 if m is not equal to n, and cos mx cos nx dx is also 0 if m is not equal to n, and sin mx cos nx dx is always 0 for every value of m and n. This is the determination of coefficients a0, an, bn. a0 and bn can be determined by this method. Some representation of Fourier series function. Let us consider a sawtooth wave fx equal to x. X lies between 0 to pi, and fx equal to x minus 2 pi when x lies between pi to 2 pi. This is the sawtooth wave. If fx equal to x, line passes through origin, and if fx equal to x minus 2 pi, line passes through point 2 pi comma 0. So these are the sawtooth wave. Advantage and disadvantage. Discontinuous function. One of advantage of Fourier series representation over the representation such as a Taylor series. Second, periodic function. Related to advantage is usefulness of a Fourier representation of periodic function. This is the formula. When function is even, fx can be written as a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n cos nx, since bn should be 0. Similarly, if fx is odd function, fx can be written as summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx if fx is odd function. This is the example. If fx equal to x, this is the formula again. Application of Fourier series. One most important application of Fourier series is square wave is converted to high frequency. One simple application of Fourier series is analysis of a square wave in terms of Fourier component may occur in electronic circuit designed handle sharply rising pulses. This is the again example. This is called infinite series Riemann zeta function fx equal to x square in defined on interval minus pi to pi. a0 constant should be 1 by pi minus pi to pi x square dx, and value is 2 pi square by 3. An is 2 by pi minus pi to pi x square cos nx, and value is this. Bn should be 0 since fx is even function here. Properties of Fourier series. first property, convergence. Fourier series is a uniformly convergent if it is continuous function, and Fourier series is not uniformly convergent if it is a discontinuous function. So this is the presentation of my topic on Fourier series. Thank you all, friends.